me off now before I beat your ass.
Yeah, anybody who look better out of me and you.
Bro, they gonna look at your teeth, they gonna be like, what the fuck is in his mouth? I don't know what the fuck. This nigga like he got bricks for gum. Get the fuck out of here. This nigga teeth is fucked. Look at your mouth, smile.
I'm surprised you got
smile.
Gum, you eat your gum.
Let's take a picture like this, nigga. The big ass teeth you got. You need to go to the gym.
Man, get the cameras over here, man.
Man got double D's.
What the fuck you got?
Can we get the cameras
Nigga, I got a good body. What you got?
This nigga sound gay as fuck. Why you keep bringing up his body? Where the six pack at, dude? Can't get it. This nigga be at home doing Tybo and shit. Can't wait to get it and shit. Get the fuck out of here.
You need to get your ass on the treadmill too. Shit. Move that weight. I forgot.
You need to sweat out that motherfucking beater you got on right there.
Eating tacos.
Take off your beater. I bet it take you 30 days out. Take off your beater. I bet that motherfucker gonna take 13 days to get out that motherfucker. You gonna sleep in that tonight.
I'm
you know you ain't getting that bitch
you
out.
got a beater on right now. Your fat ass. What? I bet you have a bikini.
That was retarded.
Black as fuck.
That's when we gonna stop the jokes, folks. We're done.
Your V-neck is tight on your neck.
This nigga look tight as fuck in that motherfucking beater. That beater is slim as shit.
Where's your ladies at though?
Rizzo, man, get on the real, man. Come on.
Now I'm about to get Marquise an ass too, cause he try to pop off too.
Let's go. Get this nigga under the camera, man. Let's go.
Okay, Marilyn, you lost this one.
Now I'm back on your ass. I heard you saying some slick shit.
Come on, man.
I'm not talking about that titty in the back of his head. If you don't get the fuck out of here.
You got titties all over your body.
If you don't get the fuck out of here, dig a hole in the dirt. The big ass teeth you got, get back. Engine mouth, get back.
Slimy tit nigga.
What? What? What the fuck is he saying?
Your whole stomach a battlefield.
You're done.
You better come with A1 jokes, Lorenzo.
Them motherfuckers F's. Them motherfuckers are failures.
Yeah, F for your fat ass.
F for my fat ass. Now I'm really about to get on your dirty ass. I was playing.
Come on, now you just playing. That sound like my excuses, bro. Come on now.
Pick your teeth up, nigga. What the fuck you talking? Them motherfuckers dragging you.
Bro, you on my Snapchat. I'll be rocking.
What? You on my Snapchat? Get on everybody's Snapchat.
Now you on my Snapchat. Here we
Steroid, override, Trey Sign, big teeth ass nigga over here.
Okay.
Been trying to gun all day. Now I'm about to really get on them fuck nogs he got on his feet.
Bro, this is just
Then,
basketball shoes, bro.
Motherfucker, I saw you in the club with the motherfucker. Get the fuck out of here.
You came to come with that.
You came in that small ass beater, thought you was working some shit, huh? Thought you was just in the flex. No, you about to die in that bitch. That bitch about to... Who? Get the fuck, I didn't see your bitches.
Only
Your
bitches you get is Twinkies, bro. So get the fuck out of here. Shit.
That shit dead like my phone.
You gonna be taking Instagram pics. This is my baby, a Snickers bar. Oh, Christmas, you have an ass for presents. You be like, Mom, where's the food?
You're out of here.
You go straight for the food, bro.
Except for Christmas, he's asked for the food, no presents. I said what he said, bro. That's what he said.
Sloppy ass tank.
You're done. You listening and spitting every time you talking shit. We don't know what the fuck you saying.
Bruh, you talking about my shirt. Why is your shirt poking out, bro? Why your stomach sticking
I got a
out?
stomach. Why your shit about to kill you? What the fuck is you talking about? That motherfucker is slowly.
And one joke been funny since the last 30 days.
Well, how about you pop it off on you in them long ass college?
Man, come on, your body tells story.
What? That 2014
Okay.
competition.
Come nigga here, bring the cameras.
He said his body tell a story, nigga.
Body tell, look, chapter 1, chapter 2. To be continued, nigga.
2013 finals. Get the fuck out of here. LeBron been practicing on your fucking house. What the fuck? Look at them ankles he got right there.
Belly button cold.
Why? Look at everybody's ankles. Look, stay still. Straight. What the fuck? What the fuck? This nigga lazy. This nigga lazy like this. This nigga shit like this. Why this fuck like car lane? Your shit like paper clips and shit. What the fuck?
He got a fire.
That motherfucker bent up and shit. You know what the fuck out of my shit? He put his socks on backwards and shit.
He got 3 pair of shorts on. He got 3 pair of
That
shorts
nigga
on.
put his socks on inside. You got some fucked up ass teeth too. So I thought you told them my
I'm trying to hear that.
I ain't trying to look at those. Fuck those.
Bro, why you standing like that?
Why your Peter look like that?
Why you look like that?
Ain't nobody grabbed his shirt all day. Look at this nigga shirt like this. That's what your beater look like. Somebody just did that all fucking day.
Somebody just beat your ass all motherfucking day.
Tired of shit.
Why your
Your motherfucking collar
whole lights off.
done.
He need everything
You
extra large.
cannot watch that bitch and never come back.
He need a laptop to text. Motherfucking hot dog fingers.
Hot dog.
He said he need a laptop to text, nigga.
He said I need what?
That's so funny, bro. That's so funny, gonna lie, nigga. That's so funny.
What you gonna do about that motherfucking collar?
You gotta get him, bro.
I ain't worried about my motherfucking
You ready,
finger.
bro?
Hold on, say that. This is a
Hey,
V-neck.
stand around.
This is a fucking V-neck. That's a uppercase U-neck.
Yo, shit,
I have never seen a double U-neck. What the fuck is that?
That's a V-neck. That shit like a damn dress shirt.
This nigga like he got white and C-neck. Get the
Yo, shit
fuck out
like he
of
going
here.
to church all
That nigga
fucked up
shit.
on his neck and shit.
Don't this nigga look like he been hanging off the weights? Don't he look like he been hanging off weights off his shirt and shit? That motherfucker's is done. You know you kind of fuck when the back of this motherfucker like this. The back of this nigga's shirt like this. Look.
You said what?
You know you fat when you walk in the club and get just like, damn, this nigga got bigger titties than me.
Alright, me, bro. Oh, no, I can do this for mine. I'll do it for mine right now. Oh, give me the ball. I'm about to jump. You done.
Give me the ball, Mr. Duncan. You ready, Lorenzo? You ready? It says, able to feed whole family. You have a picture of this nigga back.
You're done.
I tried to tell you, come on.
I'm ready, man.
Childish.
That's not fair, bro.
All right, man, I'm done.